Hey everybody, my name is Robert. If you haven't been to this channel, please check out my videos here. And if you like any of the videos and this channel, please subscribe. And if you've been here before, appreciate you guys coming back. I truly appreciate that. So today I am back talking about my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I've coined Hard Shell Taco. So I want to talk about a popular mod, which is this guy right here. It's called a Heritage Grill, which the TRD Pro popularized. It's a really good looking grill. The problem was when they first came out, if I remember right, they were about 500 bucks. Yeah, it's 500 bucks, and they started going down to 400. And I think they're maybe mid threes now, or maybe close to 4 still. But it's still a great grill. But they started coming out with replicas from China, and this is one of them right here. And this one is actually from, if you don't know the YouTuber, his name is Taco Twonz. I'll go ahead and link it here. So this grill right here that I have is actually a factory grill. This is from Toyota. This is a OEM grill, and I did end up paying over $400 for it at the time. But I wanted to see, what's the difference between these replica ones and the real deal. So let's take a look close up. All right, looking real close to it. I'm not a plastic dude, so I don't know all the details in the plastic. But the one thing I do know, this is the texture. This is a little bit of a rougher texture on OEM versus a smoother one. Weight wise, I think it was the same. I haven't moved this grill for a while, but it's plastic, so it's not too heavy. One thing you have to take note is that this is an actual plate. Let me flip it over here. So this plate actually is replaceable. So if there's any damage or you don't want these letters, they have options of other grills that I've seen from China without the Toyota. You can go ahead and do that. I don't see anything as far as weakness on it. I'm sure there's some cheaper models out there and brands, but this one looks pretty legit. This right here is for the TSS, so the 18s and above have those sensors to control cruise control and braking. So that's what that is. What Taco Twonz has done is they've added the popularized Raptor Lights. So they have 3 Raptor Lights here. They're LED lights that are installed already, and he went ahead and modified it to fit in here for you. And also, usually these China grills, the letters are not assembled, so they actually spent time to assemble everything for you, and also include one of these harnesses to power this up. I would recommend you checking out Taco Twonz site to see how this is installed. And that's pretty much it I had to say about this grill. I mean, I can't really tell much of a difference as far as anything else. I mean, an expert's going to be able to tell. I've heard as far as feedback, at least for this grill from Running4Tacos, is that it's held up very well. The craftsmanship's pretty good from what I heard. So the good thing is that everything's pre-assembled from Running4Tacos. So all you gotta do is go online, place your order, get it here, and then you're all set to install. So that's a good thing about it. But wait, there's more. If you're watching this video, stay tuned for my giveaway for this exact grill, for this one right here. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please post below. I want to say thanks for watching. Peace out.